who knows what kind of cars they're
Is
gonna...
he on the same
kind
track
of
with that little...
I don't know, it doesn't look like it, but it looks like he could be lining up for these, but I don't think so. It's gonna make me sad, of course. If he doesn't end up taking them, it's gonna make me sad. Like he's coming up again.
Is it coming up? Oh, he's coming right through here. Yeah, I get that.
It's got 5 cars this time.
He moved right along with him.
Compared to some of these train engines that don't even move along at all.
Looks like he's taking them out there to...
Or maybe, looks like he's gonna...
Oh, he's got a conductor on the back of it.
Oh, yep, that's some of the work they have to do.
Yeah, that's it.
Throw the switch.
Yeah.
There he goes, now going backwards again.
Well, that you got him picture of him doing the switch.
Yeah.
Good, because that shows the whole operation. Pulling him up, switching.
It could be that train is planning on taking out some of those cars tonight.